Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Natasya Kusuma Putri from Information System 42 International Class. Here I wanna tell you about data warehouse and business intelligence. First, let me tell you the definition of it. First is the definition of business intelligence. The terms of business intelligence or BI refers to technologies, application, and practice for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. The purpose of business intelligence is to support better business decision making. Essentially, business intelligence systems are data-driven decision support system or BSS. Business intelligence is sometimes used interchangeably with briefing books, report and query tools, and executive information system. Next is a definition of data warehouse. A complete and consistent data repository where the stored data is competitively related and is designed based on query and analysis rather than transaction processes. After that, the data will be transformed into information that can be accessed anywhere and always up to date. Then, this information will be used for analysis to produce the right decision. Next is definition of data warehouse based on the characteristic. First is subject-oriented. Data warehouse is designed to help user in making decisions. Second is integrated. Data warehouse is designed to integrate some of different data. The integrated will be more consistent, so it will be easier to understand for the decision maker. Next is time variant data warehouse. Data warehouse is focused on change over time. And the last one is non-volatile data. Data in the data warehouse can be edited or updated. Next is the architecture data warehouse. First is source data. Source of data or where all of this data came from. To build a data warehouse, so the source data must be from an operational system or OLTP database. Next one is data staging. Before input the data source, it is important to do an ETL process. It means extracting, transformation, and loading. The next one is data warehouse, a multi-dimensional data storage place that stores data in the form of metadata, summary data, and raw data. The next one is data marts. Part of data warehouse, if all of data marts combine, it will be a data warehouse. And the last one is users. Is someone or user that will use the data warehouse? All of these users have different tags. There is user charge of analysis, there is user charge in reporting, and there is user charge in data mining. All of this information will be processed by tools, so it could make a decision making easier. And this one is the diagram. This diagram of data that we will analyze. From this diagram, we can have a data source like this. This is the data source. Then after that, we can extract and have the raw data source like this, like employee department history, employee pie history, job candidate, employee, shift, and department. After we extract, we can transform this data source and have an information like department name, employees data, and tax information of each employees or department. After that, we also can know how long the employees work. We can look at it by analyze from the time they start to work until end of their work. All of the data can be seen with an attendance application that requires employees to log in. So conclusions, from all the data that we can have a decision like employee salaries, employees benefits, or employees performance appraisals. All of this information will affect on company productivity and will continue as long as the business processes in the company are still running. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.